ARZOPA A1 15.6-inch 60Hz kickstand portable monitor. Simple review, let's go! Hello guys, welcome back to Just Basics. So today, let me show you the ARZOPA A1 15.6-inch portable monitor. So I have been using this for almost 6 months now, and yes, ngayon ko lang i-review. Ngayon ang sinipag. Anyway, since portable to guys, it's so convenient na dalhin siya anywhere, lalo na sa mga nag-work from home kagaya ko. So, kasyang-kasya din to sa laptop bag. Yes na yes dahil plug and play ito guys and no need to plug it in on an outlet para lang mag-power up siya. Inclusions, meron tong 3 connectors na kasama. Mini HDMI to HDMI cable, USB-C to USB-C, USB-C to USB-A. Lightweight ang monitor na to guys. Manipis din siya kaya very handy talaga. This is Full HD 1080p IPS monitor which is very nice. This is just around 4,000 pesos. This is the kickstand version guys kasi may ibang model na yung iba yung stand nila. You can also use this in portrait mode. Let me show you how to connect this to your PC or laptop. So dito sa laptop na ito guys, I need 2 connectors para gumana siya. I don't know if dahil medyo luma na yung laptop, which I bought last 2020 pa. In-update ko na siya and all, but yun, kailangan pa rin siya ng 2 connector. But here on the recent laptop na na-purchase ko, kailangan lang ng 1 connector, which is the USB-C. So, okay na siya doon. Plug and play ito guys, yung laptop na mismo yung magpa-power up sa kanya. So, if gagamitin niyo ito ng matagalan, kailangan nyo isaksak yung charger nyo ng laptop charger nyo. Kung saglitan lang naman, carry lang din naman guys. Like this one, hindi siya naka-charge ngayon, pero gumagana yung monitor natin. Yung monitor guys, wala talaga yan ng saksakan. So in case na ipa-power up nyo siya, baka pwede nyo siyang gamitan ng yung socket. Iko-connect nyo ng yung connector dun sa socket and then plug it in. Which is, let's try it later. Alright. For the display guys, halos parehas naman sila ng color. So, sa gamit kong laptop, hindi naman sila nagkakaliro na kulay. Which is sometimes I use to do simple graphic designs and video editing. So, na-adjust pa naman yung color or display setting niya dito. So, sa brightness ako medyo nakulangan. Pero for its price, okay naman na siya guys. As long as nasa-serve niya yung purpose niya as my second monitor. When I need it, of course. So, very, very convenient lang talaga siya na portable siya. This has dual speaker din pala, guys. I seldom use this kasi lagi naman akong naka-earphones when it comes to sound. But yeah, this is an advantage siguro sa gaming. Let me mention also, guys, na pwede pala to gamitin sa phone, PlayStation, Xbox, which I cannot show you right now kasi kaya nag-focus na lang ako sa laptop or PC. Wala kasi tayo nun. But yeah, as advertised, pwedeng-pwede daw. Yes na yes, I highly recommend this, lalo na sa mga katulad ko na lagi na-travel. Wow, lagi na-travel. Charot. Or bet lang talaga yung maliit na extra monitor, compact, ganyan. One of my work kasi is required mag-dual monitor. And ito yung pinili ko since kaya ko siyang dalhin anywhere na hindi hassle, kasi sa laptop bag ko. And kahit sa coffee shop, pwede mo din siyang gamitin. Hindi awkward gamitin, di ba? Syempre, this is available in Shopee and Lazada, guys. I'll put the link in the comment section or in the description box. Gamitin nyo ng voucher para mas makasave pa kayo. Dahil dun din ang ginawa ko naman nung nag-purchase ako nito. Follow and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much, guys, for watching and see you on my next video. Bye!